Top 10 Electrician in Saskatoon. 1. My Home Electrical, Plumbing and Heating, 5 277 reviews, Ontario Avenue. 2. Anytime Electric, 563 reviews, Brock Crescent. 3. Brown Electrical Contracting LTD, 543 reviews, Colony Street. 4. AEL Electric LTD, 522 reviews, McKercher Dr. 5. Bright North Electric, 514 reviews, 829 B50 St. E. 6. Bridge City Electric Sask Ltd, 511 reviews, Brodsky Avenue No. 100. 7. Jet Electric, 510 reviews, 48 St. E No. 3. 8. Age of Electric, 5 reviews, 1st Avenue North. 9. Burco Electrical Contractors, 4 reviews, 47th Street East. 10. Ethical Electrical, Best Rated Electrician, Contractor Saskatoon, 2 reviews, St. Andrews Avenue.